This is my crop grinder machine, and it's stopped working. When I press this button, it's just making noise, but it doesn't work. You see this is actually noise, but it doesn't rotate. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this one, and I'm going to show you how to open this one, because this looks like it's sealed, but I'm going to show you how to open. So first you got to remove the lid, and this is a blade. You can remove the blade by twisting counterclockwise. You can use a gloves if it's too hard, and after you, so it's going to come out like this, and you can put your side. Then flip this one, and you see 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 guards, so you need to remove this guard. It's not easy to remove, and if you put a lot of pressure, it could break. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna heat up a little bit and try to pull up one by one. So you can use hair dryer, but I have this one hot air gun machine, so I don't want to put the air all everywhere. So I'm just gonna use only these 4 pieces. You don't need too much air or too much heat, just a little bit, about 30 seconds or so with this one, but with a hair dryer maybe need a little bit more. Then use the screwdriver or something. Let me push, you see it came out, and then another one. If it's a little hard, if you do one by one, little by little, don't press too much, otherwise it's gonna break. There you go. This come out. This is the switch. You could remove easily and put it back on. So now I'm going to use hammer. I'm going to, with a little bit, I'm going to hit it. Then you see it went down a little bit, and then you can use something like that, which will help you to pull the things up. You could use this tool, sometimes used for dental. Check it out, whatever convenient for you, use this one. I'm gonna pull it. I could use the plier. See, it came out. Actually, I put a double 40, so that's what this oil looks like. Now, we'll remove these 2 screws, 1, 2. It's gonna come off. This looks. So I'm gonna see what's going on, then I'm gonna show later on how to reassemble. So please subscribe, and thank you for watching.